So today I'm looking at a self-threading needle. This came in a pack of 24 for $5 off of Amazon, and you can find that in the information below. And it truly is this simple. So it's got a little break in the eye where you just slide it under your thread and hook it in, and then you're good to go. So I went ahead and stitched a few stitches here just to show how easy it is to work with. I noticed that it doesn't really come out of the eye of the needle unless you're just moving your hand a lot. So if you have a tendency of just, rotating your wrist when you pull your needle out through the backside of your fabric, you might have an issue with it coming undone. But even if so, it's so easy to get your thread back in the needle versus having to maneuver it through the eye of it. You'll be golden. So here I am just finishing up a few more stitches. I wanted to share this one with you guys because I know when I teach embroidery classes, threading the needle is the hardest part for everyone. So if that's the case for you, this is a really great option. Don't forget, you can get your own by clicking the link down below.